Okay, let's say this length here is A and this length is B. Okay, the height of this trapezium, let's say H. Okay, so the rule for this is to find the area. The rule for this is area is a half of H A plus B. Okay, it doesn't matter which one A or B along the perpendicular height. The most important is a perpendicular height, and this can be B and this can be 8. So which one A or B doesn't matter. The most important is perpendicular height. Okay, this one H. So which is the rule? Okay, is A area is equal to half of H A plus B. Okay, so that's two parallel lines add together and you times H and you have it. Okay, let's go through a couple examples so you know how it works. Okay, let's say for example this shapes here. So if you look at it, this is trapezium. So the rule for the area, okay, the rule for the area is H, a half of H, I mean, open bracket A plus B. That's all. Now A and B, okay, this can be A or B, doesn't matter, along you identify two lines that's parallel. So this is A and B because A plus B same as B plus 8. So whichever one A or B, it's the same thing. So the area equal a half times H. H is the perpendicular height. This is a perpendicular height. Okay, so this length here. So it's 5. So half times by 5, open bracket, 7 plus 9. Close bracket. So if you put that in your calculator, okay, now you should get 40 centimeters square. 40 centimeters square. You see? Okay, let's say with these shapes here. Okay, let's say this side length here is 9.8 centimeters and this is 6.3 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. Right? So the shape of this is a trapezium. So area of a trapezium, area is a half of H, open bracket, A plus B. Okay, so A and B are parallel. So which is this line here and this line is A and B. And the perpendicular height is 4 centimeters. Okay, so area which is equal to half times height, height is 4, and open bracket A plus B which is 6.3 at 9.8. So if you type that in your calculator, okay, you will get 32.2 centimeters square. You see? Alright, now let's move on next one. So let's say do this one here. Let's say I give you these shapes here. Let's say a line, this is, let's say this, and then that line all the way down, and this. Okay, that's the best I can do. Okay, let's say this is a parallelogram. Sorry, the shape look a bit funny, but let me try again. Okay, so okay, this better. Now with these shapes here, okay, so the perpendicular height is 17. Okay, this is 17 centimeters. That's the perpendicular height. And the parallel lines, which is A and B, is this. Okay, so the area of this A area is a half of H, open bracket, A plus B. Okay, so I have to move up a bit. So now which is equal to a half times 17, open bracket, because this perpendicular height is 17. So 12 plus 21 or 21 plus 12 doesn't really matter. Okay, so if you type that in your calculator, you should get, okay, you should get 280.5 centimeters square. Okay, now let's move along next one. Now to find the area of this, okay, we just apply the same rules because it's a trapezium. So area is a half of H, okay, and then A plus B. All right, so now because you can see there's a lot of numbers here, but remember some of the numbers is unnecessary, right? Destructor if you like. Now all I need to know is a perpendicular height. See, this is a perpendicular height. So the perpendicular height is 12. So which is a half times 12, open bracket, and add A and B. Okay, so remember, doesn't matter which one, A or B. So the most important height. So I can use A is 19. So let's just go 19, add. Okay, B. So B is this one. Or A is 23. Doesn't matter. Okay, so it's a longitude parallel lines add together. So which is at 23. So if you put that in your calculator, okay, you should get 252 centimeters square. Okay, as easy as that. Just stick to the rule. Okay, again, okay, so to follow the rules, the area, okay, area is a half of H A plus B. Just remember, because this is a trapezium. So area of trapezium is a half of H A plus B. The perpendicular height is this line here. Okay, so this is perpendicular height. So which is equal to a half times 4.2. Open bracket. A, again, doesn't matter which one is A. So I just use this 8 is 8.5. So which is 8.5. Add. Okay, so the length of B is 5.6. Okay, just add 5.6. So if you type that in your calculator, you should get 29.61 centimeters square. See, very simple. Okay, now let me go and do one composite one. Okay, composite area. So we have to work out two of them, and then and we will work out plus or minus. Okay, from there. So this is a composite area, right? So by looking at this, you got a trapezium outside, and inside you have a rectangle area. So therefore, to work out the shaded one, what you need to do is you find the area of the larger one, which is a trapezium, and you minus the area of rectangle. As simple as that, right? So now to do this, we just work out area of a trapezium first. Now, I just write in here because it's a bit of, we need a bit more space, but let's see what we can do. So area of a trapezium, A, is a half, okay, of H A plus B. Okay, so which is a half, you times by H. H is the perpendicular height, of course. The perpendicular of this is this here. Okay, so this is the perpendicular height of the trapezium, which is 16. You see, open bracket, A plus B. So A is this side here, or A can be 28, doesn't matter, because A plus B, 22 plus 28, same as 28 plus 22. So it doesn't matter which one go first. So I just go 22 plus 28 first. You see? So if you put that in your calculator, okay, this you should get, okay, 400. Okay, 400 centimeters square. So that's the area of trapezium. Okay, now let's say you got area of trapezium now. So what I need to do, all I need to do now is just work out the area of a rectangle. That's right. So I'm gonna do on here with different color. So area rectangle AR, which is all you can write A1, A2, doesn't really matter. It's just a naming convention. That's all. So rectangle is length times width, so which is 17 times 8. So if you put that in your calculator, okay, so you should get, okay, 306. Okay, 306 centimeters square. You see? So now, so therefore, the area, okay, this shaded area is, so you got therefore, okay, the shaded area is equal to, which is 400, all right, minus 306. So you should get 94 centimeters square. You see? So what I want you to do is, can you try to do 3 questions for me? Okay, this is 2 here, and the answer for the first one is 37.5 centimeters square, and the answer for second one is 28 centimeters square. What I want you to do is just try, okay, to work it out, please show working out. That's the whole purpose, okay? What I want you to do is please try to work this out, because the answer for first one is 37.5 centimeters and the answer for second one is 28 square centimeters. So please pause and try to do it yourself, okay? Now I'm gonna do the third one for you, and please do the first two first, okay? And the last question is, okay, consists of a square and inside is a trapezium, okay? So the question asks you to find the shaded area, okay, this area here. So what you need to do is to work out, okay, the larger one and then you minus the smaller area, correct? So please try, give it a try and have a go. The answer is given, highlighted, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video.